Hey everyone, this is Eric back with all the replay I guess I'm putting on that channel. You wanna say hi, baby? We're here at the playground and Aiden's over there skating. Let me see if I could flip over there skating if you could. Where is he at? He's somewhere over there. There he is, right there in the green. Going back and forth. This camera's pretty cool, man. So he's on that side and we're over here. And she's playing on this playground. It's funny that there's the Leon County Jail. I remember being locked up in there for about 14, 15 days or something. It's crazy how things come around full circle, man. You know, just, and that was for like weed or something like that, selling weed. Now they got weed shops everywhere and it's legal. And I was selling that and getting in trouble years ago. That's funny. But yeah, just hanging out, man, and letting them play for a little bit for him get a haircut, let him get a haircut, and gotta eventually work on the SUV. So I'll probably bring out some content with that. I got to put a wheel hub on it and do brake rotors and brake and whatnot. So you know, but man, just a lot been going on, man. Just trying to take it easy, try to do the right thing one step at a time. You know, make the right decisions and stuff like that. But I'll catch y'all. I just want to give y'all a little quick update. Yeah, let her play for a little bit, man. You know, try to keep my eye on two kids at once. As long as I can see a green shirt over there, I'm good. But yeah, man. Let's slide down one of these so I can get you on videotape.
Come on, let's go.
You want to go on the double one right here? Right there? You want to go that one? You want to slide down that one? Let me see you slide, baby.
Let's go.
Okay. Whee! Yeah, what I'm talking about.
I got
Yeah.
that. I got that one.
Yeah, that's like a little, yeah, it's like a little dinosaur. Yeah, it's like a little, I don't know, triceratops or something.
That's
Yeah.
right. Come on, let's go. Run, run, run.
There we
Come
go.
on, come on.
You want me to push you? Yeah.
Dad, no, that's mine.
Oh, you want me to go over there? Oh, okay. Oh, she want me to get on this one. Yeah, there we go. Whee! Whoa! Oh! Oh, we gotta make sure your dress is not showing none. Hold on. I gotta get her potty trained all the way. Yeah.
I can't get me out.